This video will show you how to adjust the buttons on a Caroma Somerton dual flush toilet. If you find that the buttons on your toilet aren't properly actuating the flush, the button kit may just need a simple adjustment. Remove the lid and have a look at the rods attached to the underside of the buttons. In our example, you can see that the one rod is quite a bit longer than the other. You'll want to adjust it so they're equal in length and adjusted to the right length to actuate the flush. There are small locking nuts at the base of the rods. Turn the nut counterclockwise to loosen the rod. Then, turn the rod either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending if you want to lengthen or shorten it. Once the rod length is set, tighten that locking nut back up, holding the rod in place. Replace the lid and test the flush. If the rods need additional adjustment, just repeat these steps until you have it set properly. Replace the lid and you're done. If you have any questions about this maintenance or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday Pacific Time. We can be reached at 1-800-460-7019, or you can email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com.